morning children, how are you? Are you finished your homework? Number names from 1 to 9. Numbers and number names from 1 to 9. Okay. Once I will repeat it again. ONE 1, TWO 2. Read along with me. THREE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. So 1 to 9 numbers and its number names. Okay, I hope everybody got number names from 1 to 9. Okay children, today I am going to start. We are going to discuss about new words. Once again, already we learned total chapter, but we are going to revise new words. So what are the words are given? What are the words given? On, under. So on, under. Do you know? Now where is the duster? Duster. Now where is the duster? On the table. Now where it is? Where is the duster? Under the table. So this is on and this is under the table. Understood? Next, above and below. Above and below. So in your in our classroom, fan is on the desks. Understood? Fan is on the desk. On the desk, above the desk, and under the desk, you are keeping your bags under the desk now. Is it right? So are you keeping your bags under the desk? Yes or no? Yes. Fan is above and your bags are under the desk. Next, top and bottom. For example, this is the basket. I am keeping this matchbox top of the basket and keeping duster bottom of the basket. I am keeping the duster bottom of the basket and matchbox top of the basket. Next, big and small. Here two matchboxes are there. So in these two matchboxes, which one is big? Is it big or this is big? This one is big and this is small. Next, far, near. Basket, that is a basket. I am keeping one box here, one matchbox here and another one here. So one, okay, I am giving that matchbox. I am taking this duster. Duster is near or matchbox is near the basket? Which is near the basket? Matchbox is near the basket and duster is far. Okay, next. Once open page number 9 in your workbook. Which picture shows 5 books? Here books are there. 2 pictures are there and books. In the 2 pictures, books are given. How many books are there in first picture? Tick the correct option. Which picture shows 5 books? So first picture shows how many books? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many books? This is worksheet ma. Worksheet page number 9. Page number 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pictures are there. So is it showing 5 pictures? No, 7 pictures are there means it is showing 7 pictures. pictures. So this is wrong. Leave it. And go for next picture. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books are there. So it is showing 5 books. 5. So we have to put tick for second picture. So leave the first picture. Put tick for second picture. Next, which picture shows 4 chocolates? In first picture, how many chocolates are there? 4 chocolates are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it is showing 4 chocolates. So in second one, first picture is correct. Once check the second picture, how many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolates are there. So is it showing 4 chocolates? If 5 chocolates are there means it will show 5 chocolates only. But here 4 chocolates in first picture. So first picture shows 4 chocolates. So put a tick for first picture and leave the second picture. Next. Open your textbook also. Now take out your textbook. So you are sitting at home listening our classes from home only. You are not having pets now. So you take either your brother or sister. If not their brothers or sisters, you can take your parents' help also. So along with your parents, form pets. Take either your father or mother or brother or sister, anyone. Take one member's help and take a sheet of paper each. So take one sheet. You and your partner both has to take one sheet of paper. Both of you draw an object of any shape on the paper. So did you learn shapes? So what are the shapes you learned? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle. So how many shapes you learned? 4 shapes. What are those? Square, rectangle, circle and triangle. 4 shapes. Your wish, you can draw any shape on the paper. Understood? That is your wish. You no need to draw the same. No need to draw same shapes both. Your wish, you can draw one shape and your partner has to draw another shape. Exchange your drawings and tell the shape of the object drawn by your partner. After completing that drawing, draw one shape and give your paper to your partner. And take your partner's paper from your partner. After that, you have to tell the name of the shape. Understood? So, for example, you drawn a square and your partner drawn this shape. Then you have to tell the name of this shape. You have to tell the name of this shape. So, what is the name of this shape? Circle. And this is square. So, you have to tell the name of shape. After that, draw both the objects in your book, in your content book, page number 17. Understood? You have to draw both the shapes. Which one you drawn and your partner drawn. Both shapes are there now. So, draw that 2 shapes. Under that, you have to write the names also. First one is square. So, under this square, you have to write the name. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. And next one is circle. So, you have to write the name of shape. Name of the shape, circle. Understood? Now, open your worksheets. Take out your worksheets, page number 10. Workbook, page number 10. MCQs are there. MCQs, multiple choice questions. How many balls are there in the picture? So count number of balls. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls are there. So you have to put the tick for correct option. So first one, 5, 6, 7 option? What is the number name? TWO2. Next, third one. The number name of 9 is. What is 9 spelling? SEVEN, EIGHT or NINE? What is the number name of 9 spelling? NINE, 9. Next, the number for 5 is. Where is 5 here? Where is 5? Is it 5? Is it 5? Or this is 5? Which one is 5? Yes, it is 5. Last one is 5. Which one of the following is a triangle? So here 3 shapes are there. So from these 3 shapes, which is a triangle? First, what is the name of the first shape? What is the name of first shape? Square. Second one is triangle, and the last one is rectangle. Fifth bit. So 3 shapes are there. So which is triangle in this? Second one is triangle. Understood? These are the MCQs. And next, application. This is very simple, children. This is your homework. Count the following things in your room and write their number and number name. Understood? So count the following things in your room and write their number and number name. So count the following things. Here things are given. Windows, doors, tube lights, fans, chairs. So if you not have separate rooms, if you are not having separate rooms, you can choose any room or total house also. Your wish. You can choose any room, either kitchen or bedroom or living room. Which one you want to choose, you can choose. Otherwise, you can choose the total home also, house also. So count windows. For example, if you have 6 windows, if 6 windows are there or 2 windows are there in your room, then you have to write 2. And besides that, you have to write number name 2. Next, doors. So, how many doors are there? Count the number of doors and write its spelling. Next, tube lights. In each and every room, only one tube light will be there. So, count total number of tube lights. How many tube lights are there in your house? Count and write. Okay. Next, fans. How many fans are there? So count number of fans and write its number name. Next, chairs. Chairs will be there now in each and every house. Chairs will be there. So count number of chairs, either big or small. So count total number of chairs and write here number name. Okay. Next, turn the paper. Write the names of any 2 objects of the following shapes. So you have to write any 2 objects. Look after your house and find out 2 objects which are in rectangular shape, which are in square shape, which are in circle shape, and which are in triangle shape. Understood? You have to find 2 objects. Any 2 objects you have to find and write the names of that shapes. Next, among the objects in your room, which shape has more objects? So here already you wrote number of objects in your room now. Number of objects in your room now. So count in your room which objects, which one is more. You have to write the name of that object. Among the objects in your room, which shape has more objects? So, which shape has more objects? Okay, don't go for this. Don't go for this. Once again, I will repeat third problem. Third question. Among the objects in your room, which shape has more objects? Once look after your room. So, in your room, which shape objects are there more objects are there, write the name of that shape. For example, more rectangles, more objects are in rectangular shape, write rectangle. If more objects are in square shape, write square. మీ రూమ్ లో ఎక్కువ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎక్కువ థింగ్స్ ఏ షేప్ లో ఉన్నాయో మీరు ఆ షేప్ నేమ్ రాయాలి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ షేప్. అండర్స్టూడ్? సో next fourth one, how did you feel? I had fun. I learned more about shapes and numbers. I would love to do more of these applications. This is your wish. How you feel? Put tick for that. Next, I completed the application in dash days. So how many days you are taken? Write that one. Completed in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Write that application. Write the days. How many days you are taken to complete this application? Okay, children? So your homework, today's homework is page number 11. Today's homework is page number 11, 12 in workbook. Page number 11 and 12 in workbook. So note down this homework. Now again we are going to learn number names and shapes. Okay, children? So we are going to learn number names. So note down this homework. Pass it and note down this homework. Again we are going to numbers and number names. First, ONE1. Read number names. ONE1. Next, TWO2. THREE3. FOUR4. FIBE5. SIX6. SEVEN7. EIGHT8. NINE9. TEN10. Read once again. ONE1. TWO2. THREE3. FOUR4. FIBE5. SIX6. SEVEN7. EIGHT8. NINE9. Learn up to 9. Don't go for 10. 1 to 9 numbers only. So once again, ONE1. TWO2. THREE3. FOUR4. FIBE5. SIX6. SEVEN7. EIGHT8. NINE9. So how many shapes you learned? Total how many shapes you learned? 4 shapes. What are those? Square, rectangle, next circle, and last one is triangle. Now square. Read square spelling. SQUARE, square. RECTANGLE, rectangle. CIRCLE, circle. TRIANGLE, triangle. And one more thing, see here in page number 13 in your content book, Draw a cartoon character using shapes and numbers. You may choose any color to color the picture. So this is your creativity. Understood? So you have to draw yourself. Any cartoon character. Your favorite cartoon characters will be there now. So draw any cartoon character by using these shapes. Here 4 shapes are there: square, rectangle, circle and triangle. So by using that 4 shapes, see here in our textbook, house given drawn by using the shapes, no, triangle, rectangle and square. By using these shapes, they are given a house. Similarly, you have to draw a cartoon character. Your wish, you can draw your favorite cartoon character by using the shapes. Understood? For face you can use circle, for ears you can use triangle, like that. Okay, so use 4 shapes. These 4 shapes, by using these 4 shapes you can draw any cartoon character and color it. Okay children, and color it. Colors also your wish. Either you can draw shapes or one more objective is given. You can do either this or this one also. Either page number 13 or page number 14. So anyone, either for page number 13 objective or page number 14th objective. So listen, page number 14th objective. Cut out different shapes from a colored paper. Here you drawn shapes. By using the pencil you drawn the shapes, but here they told to cut the shapes, cut out different shapes from a colored paper. Your wish, you can take any colored paper or on white paper also you can draw the colors. So cut out different shapes from a colored paper, paste them to create a cartoon character. Here you are drawing here they told to draw the cartoon character and color it. But in next objective they told to cut the colored paper in different shapes and paste that papers. Understood? Here no need to draw colors and shapes. So cut the different shapes from colored paper and simply paste. But here you have to draw the shapes. To draw the cartoon character, you have by using the shapes you have to draw the cartoon character. Afterwards, as you wish, you can color the picture. Understood? Either this or next one. Any one objective you have to do. Okay, children. And your homework is page number 11 and 12. Objective application it is. Count the number of objects. Number of windows, number of doors, number of tube lights, number of fans and number of chairs, and write their number names. Okay? And next page, write the names of any 2 objectives. Any 2 objects. So rectangle. So write any 2 objects. Any 2 objects of rectangle. In rectangular shape, photo frame, TV screen, computer screen, all those are in rectangular shape. Like that only square shape objects, circle shape objects and triangular shape objects you have to write. Two names. And next, among the objects in your room, which shape has more objects? So once look after your room, which shape objects are more are there, write the name of that shape. And 4th and 5th you know that. Okay children? So how did you feel? I had fun. I learned more about shapes and numbers. అంటే నీకు ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఫన్గా ఉందా, లేదంటే షేప్స్ గురించి నెంబర్స్ గురించి ఇంకా ఎక్కువ నేర్చుకున్నావా, లేదంటే ఐ వుడ్ లవ్ టు డూ మోర్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ అప్లికేషన్స్, అంటే ఇట్లాంటి అప్లికేషన్స్ చేయడం నీకు ఇంకా ఎక్కువ చేయాలని ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందా? సో పుట్ టిక్ ఫర్ దట్. అండ్ ఐ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద అప్లికేషన్ ఇన్ డాష్ డేస్. How many days you are taken? Either 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 1 day. You are completed within 1 day. According to that, complete it. Okay children, this is your homework and this one also do. Objective also you have to do. Okay.